What good is strength if your body holds your back? Flexibility isn't just about touching your toes. It is the foundation of good posture, smooth movement, and a pain-free body.
Just like any other physical activity, we begin with warm-up. Let's go!
Pagkain mo ba'y tama? Ito ba ay may sustansya? Health goal mo ay wellness. Balance what you eat, malunggay, rice and meat. Health goal mo ay wellness. Start our health goals. Eat healthy, dapat pagkain na sapat. Sabay-sabay kumain ang lahat. Huwag magpapauhaw, kain ng umalaw. Tara na sumayaw. Leo, Leo, hashtag health goals. Health goal mo ay wellness. 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 Come on, treat our bodies good. Time to give them healthy food. Drink water like you should. Keep moving, yeah, we feeling good. Start our health goals. Eat healthy, dapat pagkain na sapat. Sabay-sabay